Welcome to Bugs tutorial video. In this quick video, I will walk you through 3 simple steps to set up Bugs and also start showing the right currencies to your customers worldwide. So let's start with the first step, which is set up money format. Just click on the first step right here, set up money format. Here you can see different steps to set up the money format. We are usually setting up the money format inside Shopify settings general section. So if you click right here, it will direct you to that particular page, and there we are adding 2 different money format, that is HTML with currency and HTML without currency. So let me click here. So here is the general section, and inside the general section, go to store defaults and click on this 3 dots and click on change currency formatting. So here we are going to paste the money format. So HTML with currency and without currency. I'm going back to the app settings and just copy HTML with currency format first. Then come back to the general settings, paste it right here. Going back again, just copy HTML without currency and then coming back here, just paste it right here. Then just click on save. So the first step is almost completed, and also this is something important, whether if you have set this money format, it will help you to decide how price appears on your store. And also if you have any concern like it might affect your store or not, but no worries about that, it won't affect. But if you find any difficulties in this setup, being this first step, you can connect with us. We are right here. So that's it. So the first step is almost complete. Just click on next. I have done this. So successfully completed the first step, and now the second step is we are going to enable bugs inside the app embed section, which is inside your Shopify settings. So click right here. It will direct you to the app embed section and just enable the bugs right here. Click on save. So the second step is also completed here, and also this particular step is also important because it allows bugs to work directly in your storefront and to display the currencies correctly. So if you have done this, click on I have done this. So the 2 steps, we have quickly completed the 2 steps, and the final step is to enable the Bugs app itself. If we are enabling here, it will make Bugs fully live for your customers. So I'm clicking on enable the app. Ta-da! So the Bugs is live on your store and we have successfully completed the setup. So let's check how it works on your store, right? So click on check on live store. So here comes the Bugs. So here is the EUR and I'm just switching. Yep, it's working. So I'm just going back. So if you find any difficulties or if you find any issues in the conversions, please click on I need help. We are right here. And also, still the basic steps are completed and conversion is working. That's fine, definitely fine. But still you can connect with us because there are more optimized features inside Bugs which helps your store. So that's it. Thank you for choosing Bugs. Happy selling.